Whitebeck Court is a flagship extra care scheme in North Manchester. Spread over 16 floors, there are 91 high-quality apartments, together with associated facilities including the Eric Hoban Centre to the ground floor, which houses a community cafe, a shop, ICT suite, hair and beauty salon, laundry room, and therapy and treatment facilities. The modern sensory gardens, fitness area and jogging track which surround the iconic building are designed to stimulate well-being for residents. Crowning the building is the fantastic Sky Lounge.
Whitebeck Court really is modern, is welcoming and really thoughtful in its design and its execution.
The block's been empty since 2006. We declared surplus requirement in 2005 and basically I worked hard with the City Council trying to develop options what we do with the block.
We've worked with Waits on our Decent Homes programme for 4 years now. They've been very successfully delivering home improvement work and they were part of the impact framework. So Waits was selected in competition against a valuation of quality and cost.
When we was actually getting involved with the planning of the whole of Whitebeck, we spent that time working as a team, getting it right. We brought it to site, and from when we came to site, then the whole of it then worked absolutely brilliant all the way through. Safety was one of the paramount items with the client, and we've had no accidents on site here at Whitebeck.
The development of Whitebeck Court complements what's going on in the wider local area.
The area is quite built up, there's 4 tower blocks and there's a lot of houses in the local area. Therefore, in order for us to carry out the works with minimum disruption, we did a full series of consultations with the residents over a 2-month period.
Waits are a vital part of our programmes. They're a large employer that is actually employing the local community. So we work really closely and making sure that local people end up with local jobs.
On this project, 22% of people were actually from a 4-mile radius and 85% of our labour was actually from Greater Manchester.
Waits Living Space in Manchester is a great example of Waits values, alive and well. Here, we say in the company, above all, it's about people.
The amazing thing about Waits is that I do get the opportunity to go to university and learn the theoretical side of the works. The amount of support that I get from my peers at work is unbelievable.
They've been a great neighbour for the people who live around here. And in fact, I think people in the adjoining blocks are going to miss them when they've gone, when they've finished all the work. So it's been a really satisfactory relationship.
Waits are renowned for doing high quality construction, and we're very pleased their contribution together with that of the City Council and Northwoods Housing to make this a reality.
Reusing an existing building has to be one of the greenest things you can do. It's hyper insulated, it ties into the local district heating system, we put underfloor heating in it, it's got PVs and it's really incredibly cheap to run.
The panels installed on the building reduce the carbon emissions of this building by 6,000 kilograms.
The projecting bays that give a vast amounts of light inside and great views. The fact that the flats are clustered together around a central core actually means that older people are living close together and it's easier to get a sense of community. Our favourite bit is the Sky Lounge. We decided that the residents needed a lounge at the top that exploited the fabulous views from this area and the communal areas on the ground floor.
Everybody that's been involved has embraced the collaborative working spirit and has worked together in harmony to produce the wonderful results that we have achieved.
The partnership with Waits Living Space has been fantastic, really. I can't speak any more highly of them.
Well, Waits have been a full partner in this project and they've done a cracking job in terms of the way they've done it.
Great talent, delivering a fantastic project, on time, under budget, safely.
All in all, this project, we were able to generate a £1.4 million worth of added value.
It's been a real pleasure to work with so many committed and true professionals.
We have achieved a transformation of a redundant, unloved and towards the end of its previous life, unpopular tower block into something very much for the 21st century.
The whole of the team has worked so hard from start to finish on this project, and the buy-in from the team together has absolutely delivered one of the best projects going, Whitebeck Court.